Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for clicking on the video if you have done. So it's been a while since I forgot to make anything. It's been very busy at home and work, as you can imagine. You have to excuse my voice. I'm not really very well. It's not COVID though. I get back in my shed slash workshop. It's my workshop. It's a shed because I've been asked to build a donut wall for a wedding by my sister-in-law. Now, a lot of you may know what this is. It's very popular. I think it's quite an American thing, but who doesn't like donuts? So I'm willing to give it a go. It's not going to be very complicated at all. I've got no technical drawing to show you. Most of the wood I bought is kind of pre-cut to almost the size, but there'll be a little bit to do. Let's see how we go. Right, so first thing I've got to do is rip down this little bit of wood. So I don't quite have enough, so I had to use a scrap of what I had lying around. Excuse the mess in my shed, guys. Oh god, it needs a bit of a tidy. But right, let's get the table set up and away we go. Just like that, the sun is out. Raining all night, and now it's boiling. Wonderful. At least we get to this outside, I guess. So, that should be all of the table saw work I need to do. Now it should be fine on the miter saw. I've got, like I said, I've got a rough idea in my head, but it'll make sense as and when I make it, hopefully. Right then, so all the pieces for the stand are cut. Now what's got to do really is assemble the stand or the frame of it. Well, that's the plan anyway. Hopefully it works and actually stands up. Let's give it a go. morning guys, so it's a new day. In fact, it's only 2 days to the wedding, so I need to hurry up and finish this. So we'll get straight into it. I'm going to finish the support that secures the legs in place, flip it over, drill some holes, put the dowels in to hold the donuts, and then I'll decide whether or not I'm going to stain it after I sand it. Enough talking, let's crack on. There you go guys, one donut wall. I mean, didn't turn out too bad. Hopefully these will stay connected, but we'll find out. Thanks for watching the video guys, if you have done. And thanks to the magic of Navy Land. Here are some shots of it at the wedding. Thanks guys.